Because the model was primed in black, I first applied a layer of red to help with the build-up of the orange, which is the color I'll start working from. Have I tried to build up the orange directly over black, it would have taken me too many coats. Diluting a mix of orange and yellow to a wash consistency, I'll make use of Les Video's technique, the water trick, to start working on the inner light source of the torch. The surface is covered with a layer of water before applying the wash. This is done so to help the wash flow into the recesses while leaving the raised details untouched. I am looking for the flames itself to keep their orange color, and the inner parts of the fire, which are the hotter, to transition towards yellow. Once fully dry, the step is repeated with yellow. While I could have begun with this step, the previous one will help me achieve a better blend from one color to the other. It is important to note that since the paint is diluted, it won't dry to its full opacity. That is why, once the yellow wash dries up, I'll follow up with a wash of white. Though I'll be careful on one hand of not applying too much, and also of keeping it towards the bottom of the torch, where the source of the flame is located. Thanks to this, the final wash of yellow will then dry much brighter than the previous one. All in all, finishing with a transition from orange-yellow mix to a not so strong yellow, and finally a full value yellow, while keeping the flames to their orange color. Now I can add some red to the fire. With the paint consistency you're seeing on screen and not too much paint on my brush, I'll apply the paint in a manner of a glaze, making sure to end my brush strokes towards the tip of the flames, which is where I want most of the paint to deposit. Due to being diluted, it'll take 2 coats to achieve a nice red color, but this way I can get a smooth transition from orange to red. With a mix of black and red, the very same thing is done afterwards, to create the illusion of smoke forming on the tips. Once again, I build up the color through multiple layers and keep my red glaze at hand in case I need to fix any harsh transitions. Special thanks to my patrons old and new who made this series of videos possible. There is still much more to come from the box, but I'd still love to hear your suggestions in the comments. For now, thank you for watching.